Hey guys, welcome again to our channel.
Hello.
We are going to give you another unboxing video today, and it's something that we received just recently, and it's from SML merch, which of course you'll be able to access in the link in the description. So yeah, basically we're going to show you one of the other puppets that we bought, and we'll now open it and give you a look of what it looks like. So let's go. Didn't take that long to come through to us during the COVID-19 issue, and I hope everyone's still staying safe at home. And here we go. Right, so basically it comes in a little red bag. It has a little card attached to it, just like the Jeffy puppet did. And if you look at it, you can see what it says. It basically says that thank you for giving Jeffy his father. Which I think by me saying that you'll know exactly what I'm talking about, or who I'm talking about. So without further ado, let's show you the Mario puppet, the human form. And here you go.
So this is the human form of the Mario puppet. You may have seen it in one of the videos called Jeffy and Me Dad, and they pretend to be Darth Vader.
Yeah.
Oh, Mario!
So as you can see, it's pretty close to. Anyway, as you can see, pretty close to what they were showing on the video. So thank you to SML merch for us buying
and
this.
Support their channel.
And yeah, support the channel. Hopefully, obviously, support our channel. We're getting close to 100 subscribers, guys. So we appreciate all the views and all the subscribers. We need to get more, obviously. So please stay tuned.
Also, write in the comments of what you think the mustache looks like.
Yeah, just let us know what you think of the puppet. I mean, we're pretty happy with it.
He's bold as well.
Well, yeah, just like me. Anyway, so we're going to leave a comment in the comment section below.
Yeah. Please
Please leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and have a look at other videos that we've already posted. And stay tuned to season 2 of Wasteland Adventures with
Now, Mario's going to say goodbye. Goodbye, everyone.
And we'll say goodbye.
See ya.
See you, everyone. And we'll see you in the next video.
Goodbye.
Bye.